Introducing the JBL Vibe Beam True Wireless Earbuds, designed to deliver JBL's signature deep bass sound in a compact, sleek package. Featuring Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless connectivity, these earbuds are water and dust resistant, making them perfect for any environment. With voice-aware technology, enjoy clear, hands-free calls while staying aware of your surroundings. Boasting up to 32 hours of total battery life, these black earbuds provide long-lasting performance for your music, calls, and more. Introducing the wireless earbuds with Bluetooth 5.3, designed for premium sound and convenience. These rose gold earbuds feature bass-enhanced stereo sound and a noise-cancelling mic for crystal clear calls. The LED display keeps you informed of battery levels, and with IP7 waterproofing, they're perfect for sports and workouts. Enjoy up to 36 hours of playtime, making them ideal for use with laptops, tablets, phones, and more. Stylish and functional, these earbuds are your perfect companion for on-the-go listening. Introducing the ESR case for AirPods Pro, designed to provide robust protection for your AirPods Pro 2nd and 1st generation 2023, 2022, 2019. This sleek black case is compatible with both USB-C and Lightning cables and features effortless MagSafe compatibility for easy charging. With a drop-proof lock and easy open design, the Cyber Series case ensures your AirPods are secure and accessible while offering durable, everyday protection. Perfectly crafted for your AirPods Pro, this case combines style and functionality. Introducing the Lerobo flower engraved case for AirPods Pro, designed for both 2nd and 1st generation models. This charming pine green case features a cute, flower engraved design and is made from soft silicone to provide full protection for your AirPods. The durable, skin-friendly material ensures a comfortable grip while safeguarding your AirPods from scratches, drops, and everyday wear. Add a touch of elegance and secure your AirPods with this stylish and protective case cover. Introducing the Raycon Everyday Earbuds 2024 edition, the perfect blend of performance and comfort in a sleek forest green design. These Bluetooth True Wireless Earbuds offer up to 32 hours of playtime, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. With multi-point technology, seamlessly switch between devices and enjoy crystal clear sound with active noise cancellation. Designed for extreme comfort, these earbuds provide a secure fit for all-day wear, making them ideal for any lifestyle. Experience high-quality audio with style and convenience.